welcome you back to Cricket Diaries by Crick Heroes. We are featuring a staff from grassroots cricket every day and hear them tell their stories. If you want to be featured, please reach out to us right away. Today's guest is somebody who has been passionately playing the sport for quite a few years now and has already taken more than 500 wickets. Let us welcome Anuj Sethi to tell us more about his journey. Hi Anuj, how are you doing?
Yeah, hi Amrita, I'm good. All well.
Great. So please take us back to that point wherein all this whole passion for cricket had started. When did this whole thing started?
Cricket is all along from the birth itself. We used to play cricket on the parks, ground, and everywhere. I have completed my schooling in '98. After that, I have rejoined back for the cricket with the leather ball from 2017 onward, and till that, the journey is still continuing.
Great. So it's been a big break in between of not playing cricket. Has there anything changed after you got back playing cricket?
Lot of things will be changed from one day to T20, from test matches, day test matches to day night test matches. Everything is the change, and change is necessary in the life. So when we used to play uh, a normal 20, 30 overs in 90s. But now the scenario has been totally changed. Now we are planning at home to play T10 rather than 2030. Whereas T20 is already there with the international players.
True, true. So,
So
so has there been any cricketer who has been extremely inspiring ever since you started playing? Maybe when you were a child as well, and even now.
yeah, I am normally I am very much involved in bowling from starting. Although I do bat on the middle line, but somehow I do either wicket keeping, or the spin. But somehow when I saw the legendary Shane Warne, and I started following him, and I chased him on. There is only one way to chase him, by the national television. So I started following him, and I just try to do action like him. And yes, he is my role model, no doubt about it. And he's a sure shot legend. So I do follow him regularly that
That's
time.
absolutely. I do agree with you, Anuj. So, so has he been the motivating factor for you to take bowling very seriously?
Yes, he is. Because as I told you that I have no path whether I have to do bowling or keeping or whatsoever. But somehow my focus is on bowling, as I earlier said. So when starting bowling the spin, again the problem is with me what to do, the off spin or a leg spin. So somehow I chased him. I started doing bowling like him. I follow his action. I look out his, the how he, uh, deliver the ball and everything. So he's the person who motivates me. No issues about it.
That's great. So, and I saw your bowling career on the ones which is recorded on Cricket Heroes, and I see that you've already got taken some 500 wickets, more than 500 wickets, and I saw a very
Yeah.
particular highest was 548. So, was that the most memorable moment of your whole journey, or has there been any other moment that you would like to share with us?
Lots of memories over there, but yes, 548 is, exceptionally out of the world for me, because it's been almost taken 200 odd matches to got my first fiver. So yes, it was a memorable, and it was the match which we playing with our rivalry friend team. So somehow the heat was on the top, and suddenly yes, uh, I bowled well, better, so I got the chance to get first fiver.
That's wonderful. And also another aspect I would like to know. I saw that you have played quite a few matches. I saw the number of overs that you bowled and all. So you have since 2017. I'm guessing you have taken it very actively. So now, the how do you if you have to give tips to others who are also trying to manage family life, work life, as well as cricket? How do you what are those tips you would like to give it to the others? How should they manage?
This is a more difficult question that could I have answered. See, I was married in 2005, so I have a penalty of time to get my wife, give my wife almost around 12 years. So now she also knows, and I am thankful to him. So she gave me a chance to get playing back on the track, and she always supported me, and she never complaining about it. But this has not happened with everyone. So my personal opinion is just keep your passion continue along with your family, nothing else. So yes, I do, take care of my family in the weekdays. Weekend is completely for cricket, but weekdays, we have a nuclear family. I have a brother. He is our captain, and what we do is it's a simply thing. In a week, one dinner together, one movie show together, so that would be helpful to us, nothing else. And somehow the passion will be always the first choice for me.
That's great. So I think the other tip would be to even find a very nice and the life partner who can also be very supportive about you taking care.
Yeah, I truly respect that. I truly respect that, and she never complaining about it, and she always motivating me. Yeah, it's actually uh, you can say that though I have started in 2017 with the weight of 115 kgs,
Oh wow.
so then I reduced it to coming in 90s. So that also, give motivation to my wife. It's somehow the physical exercise will be going on a daily basis, at least on a weekly basis itself.
Sure. And that's motivating. I think I'm sure that's going to motivate a lot of other people as well. So
Surely, ma'am.
yeah, and so again, going back to your game, is there any personal goal that you want to achieve in the next maybe couple of years, or something that you next is this is the milestone you're looking forward to achieve? Is there something like that?
No, no, nothing like that. But yes, I want to play the cricket till the time my son, he's not fully integrated with me. When he will get some good chance, or somehow he will uh, come into and existing कि हाँ पापा अब मैं आ गया हूँ पूरी तरह से मैदान में, so
Uh,
that is my goal, nothing else. And he is already in touch with our game,
okay.
and he assisting me. He came with me. He's doing already a lot of stuff on his part, but still he's only 13 years of age, and that my goal is, my son and my brother and me will play together a good cricket match somehow when he will be, able to play the corporate cricket.
That's so sweet. I'm sure वो जल्दी होने वाला है. And if he's already got the interest, I'm sure. And looking at your passion, he will be more motivated to घर पे ही dad इतने motivated and highly passionate है. I'm sure he is going to be all, as well.
He also motivated me to counting my trophies कि dad आज इतनी हो गई है तो इतने कितने
Oh,
में करोगे. So this is also help me to boost me up कि बैठना नहीं है, खेलते जाओ. It's nothing
so
like that. The and by the grace of God, I met in the starting days of cricket. Mr. Dhruv Sodhi was there. He was, running out his club for the past 10 years. So he actually introduced us to the corporate cricket. Then we met Jumbo sir. Jumbo sir has taken almost 1,300 wickets in college. He is playing. He is my role model. He is my inspiration, and he's still playing. And uh, we gave a target to complete it 2,000 wicket till the next to 2021, 22, whatsoever it is. So
Yeah.
we have a bunch of players who, with the age of 30 plus. My cricket team is having the average age is 30 plus, so we all enjoying cricket very much. And this is not a cricket team; is rather it is a family. It is cricket family, so that everyone is came for the fun to complete his passion. So जो जो वो नहीं कर पाए वो कर रहे हैं आज they are literally enjoying it and that's the way our target is. My brother is our captain, so he's the one out of 7 days he was doing planning and preparing for the matches for the weekend. We used to play 4 matches in a week, so you can judge it out ki how he's कितना वो ज्यादा उसमें घुसा रहता है.
Good.
So
हाँ.
uh, that is what the changes we have got after 2017.
That's so wonderful. It's so nice to know this. There's like, you're really taking in the passion and there's no age or there's no ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि इसके बाद नहीं कर सकते, वो बचपन में ही कर सकते थे, कॉलेज स्टार्ट करने से क्रिकेट छूट गया, ऐसा नहीं है.
No.
सालों के बाद you are able to get back. So that's a very motivating thing.
A lot of my friends came back to see me back on the ground. कि अगर तू खेल सकता है तो why not हम? Like most welcome. It's your family. You are always most welcome. And we are happy to have my old friends to be back on the field.
That's true. So nice. That's so nice. तो आप IPL देख रहे हो अभी?
बिल्कुल.
और कौन से वो एक प्लेयर है जिनको आप फॉलो कर रहे हो?
There is not a single player, but the team. I'm fully, following Delhi Capitals. As again, Amit Mishra is my, core focus. But somehow by disappointing, he's injured. He may be ruled out of IPL. So I'm totally looking out for all the players because इस वक्त तो बॉलर्स को देखने का बनता ही नहीं है because इस वक्त तो रन ही रन बन रहे हैं, nothing else. I'm enjoying IPL with my kids. They both sit with me and enjoying till the last ball of the match.
Great. So nice. And I really hope that like the way Delhi should do well, you should also be getting more number of wickets and very soon you are able to play with your son and your brother together. And we wish you all the best. And Anuj, thank you so very much to talk to us today. बहुत
Thank you, Amrita.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे.
Thank you so much. Same here, same here.
Great, thank you. And for everyone else, please come back tomorrow again at this particular place because we will be back with another star from the grassroots cricket and your their story. Till then, take care. Bye bye.